In this video, I will show you how to add favicon icon to WordPress website. So first of all, log into your WordPress dashboard. And then go to Appearance tab, and then click on Customize. Now here, go to Site Identity, and click on it. Now, go to Site Icon, and then click on Select Image. Make sure you select Square Image, and at least 512 by 512 sized pixels. Click on Publish. Thank you for watching. Please comment below if you have any question or suggestion. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up and share this video.